How to add welcome bot to Discord. Hi everyone, this is Max. I hope you are doing great, so let's start without wasting time. First of all, open up your web browser, tap on the search bar and search for Discord bots. Now scroll down and open up this website. Now tap on the search bar and search for Pro bots. Now scroll down. Now click on Add bot on this bot. Now click on Invite Pro bot. Now select a server. Tap on Continue. Click on Authorize. Now tap on Go to Server. Now tap on ProBot. Now click on Add App. Now tap on Visit Site. Now click on Continue. Tap on Authorize. Now tap on the three lines. Now click on Server Settings. Again tap on three lines. Scroll down and click on Welcome and Goodbye. Now enable the toggle for send a message when a user joins the server. Now enter your text message. Now click on Save Changes. Now select the channel and create a channel for welcome. Now choose your channel. Tap on Save Changes. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe our channel for more awesome content. Have a burning question or such topic? Drop down a comment below. This is Max signing off until next time.